Hello, our art friends. Today in Kiddy Can Draw, we are going to learn how to draw a shark. First, we are going to draw the snout. That is the front part of the shark, where we're going to draw the nostrils later. Then we'll draw a laughing big mouth attached to it. After that, draw a line going down to make the lower part of the shark. Draw a fin at the end of this line. And another fin under it. Extend the line to complete the lower part of the shark, going up to start the tail. At the top, make a small curved line. Then draw the dorsal fin right over it. Draw a line from the dorsal fin going upward to complete the tail. Finish the tail. It should look like two leaves connected together. Make a line from the snout till the tail. To define the lower part of the shark's body, draw half moon shape to make the gill slits. Gill slits help the shark with feeding and gas exchange. Draw the nostrils at the top of the snout. Close the mouth from the outer side and make some sharp teeth inside. Make a small curve next to the mouth. Because our shark is so happy and laughing so hard, draw the eye. It is an upside down U shape with a curve underneath. We'll draw an eyelash and an eyelid, followed by the iris and the pupil, leaving small circles white to show light reflection. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Good job! Now you can draw a shark. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface while coloring, leave a small line without color. To achieve a 3D effect, pick a darker shade and go over some parts of the drawing. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.